The under power video demonstration of a Gen 5 CNC Guidewire Centerless grinder, grinding wires from 0.001 to 0.025 with a strong 15.1 mini station CNC control, air sensing dressers over each wheel. We have a AGS Medical Systems Guidewire grinder. This would be the short one. We're just doing a quick walk around of the machine. Machine is in. It's one of the nicest machines they're sending us. Both these machines are. Look at the control, the walk around, look at it from the front. The I-bar, this I-bar and the other one's I-bar is in very good condition. So this would end the under power video demonstration of the serial number 2698 Royal Master Gen 5.